Good morning, everybody. This is early morning in Danum Valley. Okay, right now we are on our way to get into the Borneo Rainforest Lodge, which is about two and a half hours drive to get in. So we are currently traveling on the gravel road on a four-wheel drive. So yeah, this morning we took a flight from Kinabalu City, about 40-minute flight, and now we are here in the jungle, really jungle.
Upstairs to have your refreshment and some short briefing, okay? Nice to meet you, everyone. This way.
Alright, so we're staying for 4 nights here at the Borneo Rainforest Lodge, and we are going into our room. So we are at PD4 and going into the room. And we got a little bit of small porch over here. It's quite nice. And this is the room. It's nice. Look at this. Welcome to our crib. Yeah. This lovely lady is trying to explain us the room.
Let's start from the wardrobe. So extra blanket just in case, and then laundry service. So we have drinking water, which is safe to drink, and tap water only to cleaning your teeth. So your very own coffee machines and complimentary mini bar, including the alcohol drinks.
Alcohol drink?
Yeah. So
Jollence, mau gini kita di malam.
Pusas boleh minta dibini. Okay, so glasses and cups for coffee and tea di sini. Torches and charger for the torches. Mosquito repellent for the room use, so you can plug in anytime you want. So this one is the toropong, so you can use for your trekking.
Itu untuk apa?
Ini untuk bilik punya nih. So for the room use. So assistant ni that you may contact us through guest service ataupun duty manager. So any questions, gentlemen? Okay, bye.
Right, everybody, right now we are on top of Impafro Tower, and look at this view. Amazing. The range is passing through, and we are on this tower, and we had lunch over here just now. I was here in 2008, I think so. But now we're here again. Look at that. This is pleasant. Walking along the river of Danum. Well, not the Danum, it's we're from the waterfall. So this is the rainforest, and considering this is the oldest rainforest in the world, actually, the Danum Valley is located really at the heart of Sabah. Hello. So right now we're going to go around and see what's food that they have over here. So over here we got all sorts of bread, soup, cream potato soup right now. Food station, like a buffet. And then here's some fruits. Oh! That's Sam.
Hello. About to get the best pudding accompaniment in the world. Syrup. Thanks. Do you want something?
No,
You sure?
not
Any
right
fruit?
now. Go ahead.
Alright. Thank you.
Right. Okay, moving on. Here's some salad. We got satay. Satay, you can just pick up satay of prawn. Prawn satay tonight. Chicken, lamb, banana fritters, sweet potato. And then over here is interesting. So you can ask for stir-fried. You can ask for stir-fried vegetable, and also kway-teow, goreng, or noodle. So you can just ask. The most interesting part of all is this. Look at that. All sorts of cakes. We got this mango mousse, tiramisu, black forest cake, chocolate truffle, chocolate mousse, pandan. So almost every night they have different type of cakes. So yeah, if you stay longer, then it will taste more different kind of cake, kind of thing. Yeah. I see. Good morning, everybody. This is the early morning in Danum Valley. So we're just on the roadside with my camera, and look at the view. The morning mist over here is just amazing. You can hear the sound of the bird. Yeah, that's it. Amazing morning. So we are going to the Canopy walk. There are some people already there, so I'm actually trying to catch up some of the people that already got there. So yeah. Jimmy is doing time lapse. We are at the Canopy Walk, and this is the Canopy Walk. It's a bridge, basically, from tree to tree. Right, so this room is actually quite amazing. It's just so big, and yeah, I know there's one guy on the other side, and he says, "I'm staying alone here," and it's like I have the whole room for myself. Yeah, exactly. So look at this. It's just big, and it's very, I don't know how to say that. I'm trying to enjoy it. I'm gonna need to go for a shower, probably a deep on the jacuzzi.